I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel angry. I feel surprised. I feel tired. I feel thirsty. I feel thirsty. I feel hungry. I feel shocked. I feel scared. I feel crying. I feel sleepy. My dearest viewers, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. I your comments also.